I gave it a couple coats of paint to help protect it from the UV rays. And the heads of the screws will be on this side, which will be down, and they'll go up into the light. I'll show you that in a second. So what I did is, when I started this whole thing, this is the aft roller for the halyard. That was the pin, 1/4 inch. There was another one up here. You drill the head off it and then drive it out with a punch and keep the punch in there so you don't lose the roller. And then what I found is these blue splices are about the same width. So what I can do is when I take this bolt out, or if you're taking the pin out so you don't lose the roller, you can push the bolt out using the splice. And that way you won't lose the roller down in the mast. So the bracket will go on to the mast. That's aft, up is forward because it's laying on top of my boat right now. And it just slips down like this over the holes, and the holes line up. And the thickness here is about 20 millimeters. So this hole here, the top of the hole is 25 millimeters down from the flat surface on the top here. Screws to mount the light go through the 2 holes there, and I used the 2 center. There's like 3 mounting holes. I used the 2 center ones, and then mine, I've already had this light mounted, so the nuts are already stuck in the silicone, but they're number 10 screws and nuts on the inside. And the wire will exit through the recessed channel there. So here's the light mounted with the 2 screws. The nuts will be on the inside, and the wire will exit through the channel. So the bolt to mount it, I used 2 inches long, because underneath this other nut right here, I'm going to put a clamp to hold the wiring. But if you're not going to use a clamp, you can get away with 1.5 inch length.